Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by opening Samsung Reminder and tapping the plus icon to create a new reminder. Enter a concise title and a clear note so you know why it exists. This helps you pick the right time and context. Next, set the date and time, and if it repeats, choose a repeat pattern. Once done, save the reminder so it syncs with your Samsung account. This initial setup is critical because accurate metadata lets the app notify you reliably and group related reminders later. Now refine the reminder so it actually triggers when you want. You can add a location trigger or attach a contact, image, or voice note for context. These extras make the reminder actionable. Make sure to set priority and a custom sound or vibration so it stands out. If you use calendar or Bixby routines, link the reminder to automate related tasks. By combining triggers and integrations, you reduce friction and ensure the reminder fires under the right conditions. To finish, mark reminders as done, snooze, or edit them from the list or the notification. This keeps your queue tidy. Use search, filters, and folders to manage many items so you can find what you need quickly. If a reminder fails to fire, make sure the app has notification and location permissions, confirm account sync is active, and disable aggressive battery optimizations for the app. Following these final steps prevents missed alerts and keeps your reminders dependable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.